Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today, April 19, 2022. It's exactly 7 p.m. Philippine time. So magandang gabi sa mga nandito sa Pilipinas, magandang umaga at magandang hapon sa ibang time zones. So anyway, may three-part siya. First is kung ano yung ginawa ko for the day, kung anong trades ko for the day. And then maybe let's look at Bitcoin and top altcoins. And then other chart live requests if any. So I think let's start. I think I've been watching it. I already shared it yesterday, no? So anyway, it's Taglish, but generally it will be English because syempre, hindi ko alam kung ano yung live audience. So, yeah. Yesterday, di ba na-share ko that I have 4 sub-accounts that I use to trade this GMT. The first 2 sub-accounts, first TP area is this one, which is the 2 point, the 2 point, no, it's the 2.59. Yeah, it's the 2.59, 2 sub-accounts in there. And then one here at 2.69 and the other one at 3.15, which is the previous high. However, what happened is that yes, the 2 sub-accounts have been, were done here at 2.59, and then the other sub-account was done here on 2.69, and the last sub-account I actually closed it at 2.90. I actually watched it, yes, I think, yeah, after my live stream. I closed it around 290, around this area, and then I buy back at around close to 2.75, which is close to 2.70 or 69 support I'm looking at, and the TP there is 3.15 and the other one is 3.24. And then after that I yeah, it's a bit of scalp and a swing trade anyway. And then after that, I actually opened a short position at 3.37, and then what happened there? It's what time is it? It's already 10 o'clock a.m. Philippine time. I adjusted my stop loss 10 cents from that entry price, and unfortunately, I got stopped out at that 3.27 more or less price. And then after that, yeah, it's already almost lunchtime, and then I entered again here at at what's this 3.22, which is the current um just before, yeah, because I think this is a doji. um so I entered it at 3.22, or just the close of it. Yeah, the close of it is 3.22. And then yeah, I adjust my stop loss. Normally I adjust my stop loss 10 cents from my entry price, but since I started this stream, I set my stop loss at 3.25. So yeah, I'll just watch it from here. If ever it goes below that 3 point, or equal or below that 3.25, then my long position will be closed. And what's my TP area? It's the previous high or the all-time high, which is at 3.45. So yeah. Yeah, I forgot to share the 500% more than 500% ROE from BTC. It's the negative one that I've closed because I opened it at 41,200, and then I got stopped out at a loss 39,022 if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, so what just like what I'm saying, yeah, as much as possible, I try to focus more on the volatile with the good volume altcoins. Actually, that's my goal for the year. Though I'll try to trade BTC, but maybe not much as compared to alts coins. So I think I have shown you yesterday yata, no? Yeah, I got stopped out. Yeah, this is just a hypothetical example. This fiat realized gain or loss. but more or less this is the one that I've shared. But this is just the one sub account. The GMT that I use, I actually use four different sub accounts. Why I use different sub accounts? So that the risk will be minimized. So anyway, that's it. That's what I can share for that. Hello. Hello, I hope you're doing well. Anyway, congratulations din pala sa mga nakasakay, no? Actually, it's very volatile, no? I never thought that it will reach this 3.45. Anyway, yeah, TP is TP. Gain is a gain. But if you try to look at it, this is actually it even retest the 3.14 or the previous high, no? This one. And that's why I also entered here. And though I already adjusted my stop loss. Because I think when I'm watching it, I think it started to build something. I think it's something losing control. But anyway, as long as it holds above this developing point of control, I think retest to 3.45 is most likely. However, I think it's already very risky. So as much as possible, always put a stop loss. That's why I'm trying to actually short it. I already short here. However, I got the stop out. So anyway, I'll just watch it again right after this stream. So yeah, I'll just watch it at 3. Oh, let me just, what's it? Let me just cancel all that alert. As you can see, most of them are actually on this one, which is the GMT. So yeah, I have an alert on previous high 3.14 or 3.15 more or less, and this one, the 3.36 area. That's where that's the my entry price for short now. So anyway, let's see. I'll just oh, let me check if I have sounds. Yeah, because previously I have no sound. So what will I do? Sorry about that. I'll just remove all alerts so that I will not disturb it once it hit that area. So yeah, just GMT for today. And yeah, the remaining ones, the KNC, which I opened at 4.07 previously, it's still open. And I already adjusted my stop loss 10 cents from that entry price, which is a $4.17. And then my target there is 4.60. Yeah, because yesterday, yeah, I'm not sure what my TP, but yeah, when I look at it, it's really here at 4 point. But yeah, I'll just focus today on GMT. Maybe tomorrow. Kasi afternoon kasi I do some groceries here. So anyway, so may mga few hours na hindi ko siya na-watch yung market. So anyway, let's see. Oh, sand is gaining traction, huh? So what's with sand? Sand maybe normally if sand moves, mana moves, and what's that? Gala moves. I remember yesterday, no? I think we have seen a bullish divergence, and yeah, someone also have shared it. 12-hour time frame, if I'm not mistaken. So I just forgot the name. Anyway, if you're watching, then feel free to share. Feel free to share again your um, ideas. So that's just what happened. Normally for the day, when I start trading, yeah, normally it's closed after 8 to no, after 8 o'clock Philippine time. So I'm actually scanning a perpetual contract because normally that's where you can see me trading. Because for spot, it's normally for me it's a buy and hold. So I'm much more of a holder there. And this one, yeah, I'll just normally just scan it, and then I look at whatever might possibly make the possible movement. And at the same time, I also look at the what's trending and oh, IMX. What's trending and what's that? And of course, the volume, the futures rank. So normally you can see me on the top 10. Though I'm looking at the top 35, I think 35 or 30. But yeah, mostly I'm trading the top 10 because yeah, I love trading the one with market action. So anyway, talaga yung may volatility no? Na nakalimutan ko sa sun. So anyway, yeah, congrats to those who have sand. So yeah, I think it's yeah. Okay, it's a continuation of the bullishness. So retest coming to this area 3.65. So BTC update na ha, well, honestly I cannot comment much. Ang kulit ko lang. But at least it's holding at support, no? As long as it holds. Yeah, last time, no, I actually entered at 41,200, which is yeah, I don't know what when is that 41,200. So most likely it's here, no, on the on that second day. Yeah, I don't know where. But anyway, it's already got stopped out at 39 when it reached 30 below 38. No, I mean below 39 or 38,000 something when it hit 38,500. So since it's already got stopped out, then maybe for the meantime I'll just watch it, and yeah, possibly I'll concentrate more on the altcoins that I think might might push the market higher. Yeah, because normally you GMT is currently at top three based on futures perpetual volume. So kaya nakikita nyo kung normally kasi parang nakikita yung top 3 4 5 normally nandun ako eh. Maganda kasi yung ano, maganda yung ano niya. Maganda siyang bantayan. Yung BTC at saka ETH, I think not much. Hindi ko alam. Pero yeah, I've been trading them previously, last year or since I started trading. It's just for this year, I think I'll concentrate more on altcoins. So anyway, what can I say for BTC for today? Yeah, nothing much actually. As long as it consolidate within this area, within the $40,000, I think retest is most likely to at least of $48,000, which is the previous high here. Or actually, that's a conservative, but it could be even more. And the support I'm looking at is of course that 39,000. But yeah, if it continues to break it, this possibly the 32,000 area. So anyway, let's see how this goes. For now, yeah, I'll just share where the traction is. So I forgot to add the coin market cap. So what's currently trending? You could also try to check on ano na, what's that? Twitter. So it's still currently trending. I don't know why Shiba is not that much moving. Though it moved a previous days. But yeah, I'm still watching it, but it's not on the top kasi. And that's why I'm still not trading it. But yeah, maybe I'll try to trade it again once it hit the 2741. If I'm not mistaken, point of control. That's where my possible entry price. So medyo naalala ko din. So anyway, so I think yun lang. So si Sandra, medyo ano siya ha. So what's with Sandra? Let's try to check on it. I just want to check if there is something, some news. Normally when I trade it, perpetuals, mostly I'm more on short. But sometimes I also check the social media. But it's not much. Anyway, so what's this? Just meet up, um, game show. They're partners with what's this? So maybe let's follow that. What's this? This is the first, okay, NFT collection of in AR. Okay, with 10.9 followers. So that's the recent one, no? Sandbox and Flicky Gang. So yun lang naman. Hindi kasi ako naglalaro eh. So 18, no? No. I think that's the ano no. They are actually announcing a few partnerships. So yeah, on that note, yeah, possibly a good one. So let's just check the data. It's actually not much movement, no, because it's already been moving previously, no. Kasi yung high volume neto, let me just check last year last year. I think let me just check on that. I remember it last year when the volume pick up. So at this area, what's the volume here? Where can I find it? Um, mhm. 709, more or less close to a billion. So it could reach, really reach that. So at the moment, it's not much, but at least it's getting to that average. Okay. It's actually more than the average. So it might possibly continue, and retest is most likely to this one around 3.65. So yeah, let me just check how this. Dun, dun, dun. Can I check if there's right and that one. Oh, the horizontal. Let's just make the horizontal line here, which is okay. Possibly there is a divergence over there. Yeah, there is actually a bullish divergence. So there you go. So congratulations to those who have spotted that. And yeah, it's currently up 8%, and it's actually a very strong bullish divergence with a volume better than the average. So anyway, retest coming to this area around 3.60. But I hope it will start to trade again, no? Um, but looking at it, I actually this one is actually the strong resistance I'm looking at the at this visible range, no? So no, almost close to this support area. So anyway, let's see. It's actually approaching 310 point of control area. So once it break that, yeah, I think it might possibly continue to retest that 5.21. That's actually the strongest resistance I'm looking at, and then possibly to this $7, $7, and then yeah, all-time high. So anyway, let's see. However, of course, a breakdown just in case it break it down. No, no. Before that, it's actually still here. No, but yeah, on conservative note, I'd rather use that this possibly and that. But I don't know. But yeah, since we already have a bullish divergence, of course, my bias here is more bullish rather than bearish, no? Because it's already been down for quite some time, no? And it's already break out from that downtrend. So of course, um, my bias here is more on bullish side. So anyway, let's just check on it. 144 days, so more or less more or less close to 5 months, no? So hopefully from here that we see some movement, no? Like for example this one. However, it's just a retest here, no? So of course, on conservative note, let's use this one, no? And then possibly the 5.21. Though I'm looking at the 5.25. I mean 5.25 as a stronger resistance. So anyway, just watch out for it. If I'm gonna plan to trade it at this area, well, let me try. I might possibly be late. No, taman sa akin. I'll get some. So 2.67 na lang siya. Wow, San. Push it, push it. Siguro ang ingay ko siguro, ang ingay that kung nag din ako, medyo maingay din ako eh. Pag talagang Hmm, sayang hindi ko siya na-watch. So maybe possibly let's go over mana and normally gala, no? But possibly I'll go over gala, no? Hmm. So anyway, let's see 521 for sand. Wala akong update. Yeah, I think I did a little bit update sa BTC, but it's not much. So yeah, same. Yeah, I remember the one. I remember we analyzed it yesterday, right? And yeah, someone shared it that 12-hour time frame and with divergence, bullish divergence. So same here on the daily. Normally my time frame is daily and 1 hour. Sometimes I also check on the weekly and monthly, but it's not much. Normally it's daily and 1 hour for me. Anyway, but the volume is not yet not high. So I think let's wait it a bit. So pwede na din siguro. When it comes to the volume gala. Oh, network error. So what's that? 2 cents. Let's check on the historical data. Hindi kasi siya, hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. So anyway, maybe let's just wait it a bit. So I don't know what happened to the one that shared it. Maybe I don't know what's her TP, his or her TP. So we'll try to look at it. Next possible resistance here, 34 cents. No? If I'll use that as a visible range, and then possibly that 48 cents. Medyo sa gitna lang siya, no? Yes, as I think that's the key resistance I'm looking at, and yeah, it's just that this one is no, just a bit. It's not complete because this is a perpetual. It's this chart. But then again, I'm still looking at that 18 cents as a support area. So if you try to look at the spot one, I think the one that I forgot where. Yeah. O, diba? Mahirap nga lang kasi pag nag-breakdown pa siya, which is around that 10 cents. No? 10 cents yung ano. So, anyway, let's see how this goes. So, what else? Let's go back to here. And I think there's a divergence over there in 1 hour time frame. There's a 1 hour time frame if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, maybe I'll try to watch this one tomorrow, no? Because I'll just be trading tomorrow. So basically, I'll try. I'll put a alert here, and then at breakout, of course, I go long. So you can also set your wala masyadong target is of course that 15 area. So I think from there it's easy 17.46. So anyway, let's see how it goes. Support still at 10.75. So yun lang masasabi ko for ape coin. So 1 hour pala yung ginamit ko na. Anyway. Yun kasi yung favorite time frame ko eh. 1 hour and 1 day. So okay lang din, no? Diba? Sakto lang din. Might even be So wait na lang ako ng breakout. So I think this was yesterday, no? May close it. And this one. Paano po gamitin yung volume profile? Okay. Volume profile. So add muna natin siya. Add muna lang siya sa indicators. Dalawa kasi yung I think madaming bakit? Meron na kasi ako. Meron kasi siyang iba't ibang volume profile eh. Yung ito, yung nasa right ba? Yan, nasa right ko. Nasa right. Nasa right yung visible range. Naka-ano na siya, no? Naka-favorite na siya. Ito si visible range, yung nandito. Yung ito. And then yung session volume. Merong session volume HD at saka yung isa eh. Pero yung ginagamit ko yung session volume. Minsan kasi hindi siya gumagana tong HD eh. Pero almost the same din naman sila. So, makikita mo kasi, ito kasi yung mga nangyaring values eh. So, kapag mas malaki siya, ano ba to? Horizontal, ano? Yung horizontal nito, mas, yun yung gagamitin mo na support or resistance. Ang pinaka-key dito is where is the control. So, normally, pag check mo yung check natin yung settings. Ay, paano ba to? Ayaw na. Sana ba yung settings? So, para sa akin yung pinaka-importante, where is the controlling price, no? So, yung controlling price is where most of the transactions have happened. So, eto siya, yung 14.10. So, kapag umakyat siya or nag-breakout siya sa point of control, I'll go long. Pero kapag bumaba siya sa point of control, I'll go short. I'll go short. Pag ano, pero kapag dito, syempre, you could also still use the other support resistance. So, yun lang. Yun lang ba? Yeah, yun lang. Basically, yun lang eh. Yung point of control, normally tinitignan ko. And then, kung ano yung mas, di ba, may next siya doon, which is ano yung second. So, eto yung, actually, medyo resistance din siya, di ba? Kasi marami din, 13.18 dito. Kasi di ba, nag-resist na siya dito sa 13. So, possibly, pag na-hit niya yung 13.18, baka mag-resist din siya dyan. So, watch out mo na lang siya doon. Normally kasi sa gitna siya eh. Ewan ko bakit sa gitna. Siguro as sa normally mean or sa middle or average. Ano. Kaya sa gitna siya nakalagay. Ang kulit lang. And then, yeah, pag gusto mo namang tignan yung ipapang volume profile, control, point of control, pwede mong gamitin yung sa session volume kasi eto kasi depende yan sa fix or sa range ng data mo. Etong nasa gilid. Like for example, kung yan, syempre ang ikakalculate niya is from yung March 31 to this period. Pero yung ito namang session volume, ito naman yung daily, which is normally ito yung ginagamit ko pag nag-scalp trade ako. Syempre, pinaplot ko pa rin naman yung support and resistance. And then, kapag nag-ano siya, katulad nito, di ba? Syempre, ipaplot ko pa rin yung support resistance ng horizontal or whatever trends yan. O, kunwari, ipaplot ko yan. Na-plot ko na pala. Ang kulit ko lang. And then, pag nag-breakout siya dito sa point of control na to, developing point of control. Pag developing point of control kapag hindi pa tapos yung araw or yung day. Pero kapag tapos na siya, syempre point of control na siya kasi it's already been confirmed na doon mangyari yung most of the transactions for the day. So dito, kung nagwa-watch ako, like for example dito, since nandito tayo sa araw na to, no? So dito tayo sa araw na to. So i-highlight ko lang siya. So, ilang oras yan. So, since eto, syempre ako, short ako kapag bumaba siya sa point of control. Ibig sabihin, nahihirapan siya, no? It's or the buyers are actually losing momentum or losing control. Or, ano ba yung other way? Buyers are losing control or the sellers are taking control. Kaya syempre, pag bumaba siya sa point of control, possibly magbababa siya. So which is medyo bumaba naman siya. Nag-pullback siya a bit, no? And other than that, syempre may duty siya. Also possible reversal. Dinagdag ko pa yung doji. So yun. So ganun ko siya gamitin. Pero syempre kapag ginagamit ko siya, syempre titignan ko din kung if it's fits my risk reward ratio, alangan mag-short ako ng di ba? So kunwari, long pala to, sorry. So short tayo, kunwari lang Kasi dapat nag-short na ako nung nakita ko yung doji. And then anong tinitignan kong possible support area. Possibly dyan. Diba? And then, resistance dito. Minsan naglalagay ako ng allowance eh. So, if it's at least 3, then i-trade ko siya. Else, hindi. And then, nag-a-adjust kasi ako ng, kunwari, diba? Mag-a-adjust ako ng stop loss para at least if ever mag-reverse siya, at least meron parehong kita or more than break even pa din if ever. No, kaya normally ang sinasabi ko is 10 cents, ano? Pero depende kasi sa price. But pero kung mga cents, mga peso, mga peso, mga parang mga ganito lang katulad ng mga sand, mga ganyan or mga 1 to 2 digits na ano, 1 to 2 digits na in dollars or less than $100, pwede kong gamitin yung 10 cents. But pag ano na, more than $100 or like for example si BTC, syempre hindi na 10 cents yung gagamitin ko, it's $100 na from the entry price. So, ganun ko siya. Pag mag-adjust na ako ng stop loss. So, anyway, like for example dito, since medyo paakyat na siya, si altcoin pala to, no? So, edi syempre, aantayin ko siya na mag-trade above this point of control or developing point of control na 12.49. Pero more on scalping pala yun, Pero parang ganun din ginagamit ito. It's just that this is medyo mas malaki yung coverage niyang data. So, yeah. Kaya tignan mo, nagbabago actually yung point of control na to. Depende sa data na nakukuha mo. Kaya ginawa ko siyang white din eh. Dati kasi violet ata to. Kaya ginawa ko siyang white para at least nakikita ko din siya na possible support or resistance. Kasi pag nagtitrade ako, yung immediate point of control, naka-alert yan. And then yung syempre immediate point of control sa baba, support, naka-alert din siya. And then of course, the current one. Siguro maybe next time I'll try to trade it. I'll try to have a live trading, no? Meron kasing yung exchange na gamit ko, I think it's integrated with this trading view, kaya pwede ako mag-trade dito. Ganun na lang. Actually, mas madali siya. Hindi ko lang siya nilag in. Pero mas masayang mag-trade nung medyo magalaw. Kasi pag hindi siya gumagalaw, parang ang boring for the day. Ang kulit ko lang eh. So, ganun ko siya gamitin. So, like for example, si altcoin pala yun, no? Dito si GMT. Si GMT na lang. Si GMT na lang. Ang natatandaan ko, 2.42 kasi yung neto eh. Point of control niya dati. Wait. 2.39 na pala. If I'm not mistaken, 2.42 eh. Yeah, a few days ago. So, since nadagdagan siya ng data, naging 2.39 na siya. But yeah, I think yesterday 2.42 to eh. Katulad nito, di ba? 2.42 nag-entry na ako sa 2.42. Pwede ka na mag-start mag-entry sa 2.42 point of control kasi yun ang strong resistance where most of the control is. Diba? Kapag nag-breakout siya doon, mabilis lang siya, in my opinion. Mabilis lang siya. Or this is just an exemption. Ang kulit ko lang. Saan ba ako nag-start mag-entry dito? I think 1 hour. 1 hour ba to? Yeah, it's 1 hour. I think 2 point, ano ba yung entry price ko dito? I think 2.37 eh. If I'm not mistaken, 2.40 something. Basta, it's just close to 2.42. 2.42 kasi yung naaalala ko eh. Yeah, anyway. Hindi ko na maalala kasi madami akong trades dito. Basta ang naalala ko lang, after that point of control, 2.42, TP area ko is the immediate resistance, which is this. Kasi nga dito kasi na siya o nag-resist or di siya tumuloy. So, my first TP ako dyan and then next TP ko dito sa 2.69. Bakit 2.69? Kasi nga dito is hindi siya umabot ng 2.70. So, on conservative note, 2.69 kasi 2.69 lang to eh, if I'm not mistaken eh. Kaya 2.69 something. Pero syempre, before yung something niya, dapat madan na ako, 'di ba? At least dito nag 2.70 plus siya. So yun. So, yung mas mababa, normally yun ang TP area ko. And then, of course, the 315. Then, medyo na-trade ko pa siya dito eh. So, yun. O, diba? So, anyway, medyo asa naman yung projects? Well, nag-reply lang ako. Sorry. Ay, asa na ba? So, ganun lang siya gamitin. So, I'm not trading it at quite some time, ano. So, maybe let's try to look at BNB. No? Para may iba naman. It's not actually on my watch list. So, maybe let's just go on the spot, on the crypto. And let's go over BNB. But nadi-disconnect pala ako, no? So, nadi-disconnect siya. Sorry about that. I think it's because of my internet connection. So, check ko nga. Tapos naputol pala, no? Ang kulit lang. Yeah. Problema kasi sa Pilipinas, mabagal ang internet eh. Mahal na, pero mabagal. Ang kulit lang. So, hopefully, mag-improve naman siya kahit paano, no? Check ko lang kasi it's actually, I got disconnected, no? Okay. Well, sorry about that. Let me just check it a bit if it's working here. Medyo ano din, no? Tinitingnan ko lang. Meron nag-loading siya eh. So, ito palang BNB dati, no? Breakout na siya. And possibly, meron ba siya? Bullish. It's currently trading at, developing point of control is 417. Where is that point of control? 21. So, madami palang nakaano. Let's just check on the 1 here, time frame. Ayun. 422 yung point of control niya on 1 year. 1 year to date. I'll just check a bit of it. And 380. 380 year to date, no? So, madami palang nakabili sa mababa. 422 ang 1 year. So, anyway, it's currently at 1 year point of control, no? So, it's currently trading. So, might possibly next possible retest around $500 or close to 500, no? Diba? I'm actually using that visible range as my next resistance area. So, actually, pwede din naman siya dito. So more or less that area. But on conservative note, gagamitin ko na lang whichever is lower. No, normally kapag resistance is whichever is lower, no? Pag gains, whichever is lower. Pag losses, whichever is higher ako. Ganun eh. So, on conservative side. Anyways, the support I'm looking at is this area. Around that uh, $390. So, from here, hmm, um, wait, what's the ano here? Yeah, I might possibly wait a bit, no? Wait a bit at 400 something. $400, no? Kung makaka-wait ako dun. Though I'm not trading much of this, no? 409. So, yun. So, mag-aantay na lang ako for now. Kasi kung titignan ko siya, parang may selling pressure. Anyway, let's just finish that daily candle. Let's look onto the shorter time frame. So, kung that's a shorter time frame, there's actually a possible bearish divergence forming. No? In my opinion, though it's not yet confirmed at the moment. So, possibly that. There we go. So, anyway, let's see. As long as it holds naman sa 416. So, mag-continue to retest for 27 area. Pero since meron ng bearish, actually possibly antayin ko siyang breakdown dito before I'll go short. And if it's rewarding, then I might gonna go short. But if not, then I'll just so pwede. 2.83. No, I'll just watch it. So I'll just watch it and wait for a better entry price. So parang tinuturuan kung kayong mag-scalp at saka swing trade. Yeah, because normally that's what I trade, no, on the futures or perpetual contracts. But if you really want on the buy and hold, normally, as what I've mentioned, I focus more on coins that look up coins, focusing on quantum resistant, privacy, storage, data storage, and as much as possible, it's free less. So actually, I have some. Yung iba na naalala ko, I just put it here. The one that I currently is staking or holding. So, silang mga yan. So, I think I'm at a loss dito, Quantex, and I'm planning to accumulate that Quantex. It's actually on that. And yeah, I might possibly add Pandora, which is, it's also a privacy blockchain. So, anyway, do I have Monero? No, I don't have it. But I do trade XMR. But for this year, not. Previous years, I do trade the perpetual of Monero. It's the the time-based one. Time-based perpetual. So anyway, if you don't have any more questions, then I might end this stream kasi nag-ano din eh. Nag-ano ba to? I'm actually getting disconnected then. So anyway, so happy trading na lang to everyone if you don't have any more questions. Oh, yeah. I actually also watching you. Yeah, Zill. Actually, I'm cheering Zill. I think it's might possibly one of the possible good coins to hold, in my opinion. In my opinion, when they launch, um, I think Metapolis one is actually a big one. So that will push the Zill higher. Which is my minimum target is actually $2. But if it's went higher than $2, then great, diba? Great. So anyway, that's it. GMT is currently trading at 3.22. So I already got stopped out at 3.25. That's Anyway, let's try to check on it, no? So, what happened there? Para at least, i-check ko din mamaya kasi na-stop out na ako eh. So, kita mo, bumaba siya sa point of control or session volume po. Developing point of control, which is this 3.27 area. So, retest might be coming to previous high, which is the 3.14 area. So, anyway, let's see. Kapag nag-breakdown siya dyan, eto, 2.69. So, yeah, just watch out for it and always set your stop loss. So, bate-batehan ko na lang muna since na-stop out na ako sa 325. So, I actually plan to look on altcoin. Huh? I might possibly try to look at it. And this might possibly the one that I'll try to trade after this stream or tomorrow. So, anyway, let's see kung kumusta yung magiging price action niya bukas. Other than that, what I'm looking at is near and of course, eto, si Moonbeam. Medyo ano na siya eh. Antayin ko siya. Hindi kasi ako nakapasok dito eh. So, antayin ko na lang siya after this. No? So, makikita mo, itong mga to. So, antayin ko na lang siya doon. Resistance, possibly dito lang. Then, medyo ano na lang ito. 4.63. So, anyway, let's see. Oh, Luna. Retest possibly coming to 103 and then 119. The all-time high. O, diba? Parang naalala ko lang. Diba? Pag lagi mong tinitignan yung chart, naaalala mo eh kung saan eh. Anyway, support 75. So, let's see. Oh, sakto lang eh. So, kung wala na kayong tanong, then I might possibly end the stream. It's already 8:02 p.m. Philippine time. So, ano bang magandang tignan natin? Yeah, maybe I'll try to baka mamaya nakalagin ako dyan. Maybe next time I'll try to trade, no? Try natin gamitin tong session. Session, volume, and the point of control. And of course, at the same time, the basic support resistance and normally just the basic support and resistance eh. Yun lang naman. And if it's within your risk-reward ratio. So, magkakaiba kasi tayo, no? And yeah. Try kong gawa ng test. Test ba yun? Yeah, test. Test sub-account. So, maybe in the next few days na lang kasi busy din ako. Busy din daw. Ang kulit lang eh. Busy ang mag-trade din. So, anyway. So, thanks guys for tuning in. See you again next time. Thanks guys. Medyo nawawala kasi eh. Ito kasi ang pangit sa eh. So, hopefully mag-improve naman. At tignan mo lang, tagal mag-respond. Anyway, so i-end ko naman na siya. Titignan ko lang ang iba pang trending din pala si IMX. IMX and then ano tong Bora? Oh. Ano naman to? Parang Boracay lang. Ano to? Oh, 101. Medyo malaki din siya. In fairness, what's this? I actually don't know this. What's the Bora? Let's try to look at it. Normally, pag hindi ko siya alam, edi syempre titignan ko yung website. Alangan naman. Where is Bora? Bora Island. Wow, Bora Island. Para din siyang Hindi ko maano kung ano to. Request Bora token migration. Parang island. So, it might possibly. But Bora Island. Store secure. Storage. Pero at the same time, meron din siyang ano. But meron din siyang NFT sales. Mm-hmm. Check natin yung historical data. Wala na ano lang ako dito kay Bora. Ang kulit lang eh. So far, yan, nagsiset kasi ako ng as much as possible. At least 100 million or 100 million volume. So, nagkaroon na din siya ng 100 million volume. When it's doing trading around that 92 cents closing price. Okay. So, nagkakaroon lang siya ng ano kasi, ng volume. And it's currently trending. Oh, back to 3.25. Anyway, I think that's it, guys. See you again next time. Hello. Medyo na-late na siya. 1 minute lang. So, yun lang, guys. Yeah, basta pag may tanong kayo dyan, you can just feel free to ask me naman. Pag wala naman, mostly naman, most of my time pala, just watching the market. Just watching the market ba? Hindi naman. Yeah, pag may time watching the market. O, pag may time watching animes. Oh. So, kung wala na kayong tanong, yeah, mag-trade na lang tayo. Mag-watch na lang tayo ng market. I'm not trading much dito sa ETH and BTC. Ewan ko, parang ang boring nilang dalawa. And just my opinion, no? Over the or hindi ko lang siya nababantayan at natitrade. Kaya ganun. Anyways. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you again next time. Disclaimer, guys, trading and investing have risks, so always do your own research and trade cautiously. Bye, guys, and have a good trades.